You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be looking at order of operation. Does this sentence make sense to you? Supermarket make while home get you to sure they coming. Why doesn't it? It's because it wasn't in the right order. Let's arrange it in the right order. Make sure you get to the supermarket while coming home. When we are solving math expressions, if we don't follow some guideline rules called order of operation, everyone will just be arriving at different answers. Let's look at this example. 15 minus 12 times 3 raised to the power of 2. Solving this, one can arrive at 27. Another person can get minus 93. So following the rule is very important. Operations are mathematical science like addition, subtraction, multiplication among others. Let's look at this table. The P is parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S is subtraction. The B is bracket, the O is off, D division, M for multiplication, addition, and even subtraction. Please take note that the two acronyms are the same. B and parentheses are the same. Exponent and off are the same, among others. I will be using this order of operation throughout this video. Also, we'll be moving from simple to complex expression. So let's begin. In this section, we are considering the last two operations, which are addition and subtraction. Let's look at these examples. 6 plus 5 minus 2. When you are using order of operation, the first thing to take note of is you start from the left to the right. And not only that, you should also note that addition and subtraction, they are the same. So looking at this, addition comes first in the order of operation. 6 plus 5 is 11. Bring down the minus 2. 11 minus 2 will give us 9. In this second example, we have 7 minus 4 plus 8. In the order of operation, addition comes first. But like I said earlier, addition and subtraction are the same. So we are starting from the left. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then bring down the plus 8. 3 plus 8 will give us 11. And that's our final answer. In this section, parentheses is added to the addition and subtraction. What that meant is that we are dealing with the one inside the bracket first, before addition and subtraction. So let's look at these examples. Looking here, 40 plus 38 should be worked on first. Bring down the 11 plus 40 plus 38 will give us 78. Bring down the plus 40. Starting from the left, 11 plus 40 will give us 51. Bring down the 78. Bring down the 40. Looking at this, 51 plus 78 will give us 129. Bring down the 40. 129 plus 40 will give us 169. And that's our final answer. On this side, the one in the bracket is 33 minus 21 minus 4 and should be worked upon first. Bring down the 29 minus 14 minus 33 minus 21 will give us 12. Bring down the minus 4, 10 plus 33. 12 minus 4 should be worked upon first. Bring down the 29 minus 14 minus 12 minus 4 will give us 8. Bring down the plus 33. Starting from the left again, since we have addition and subtraction, and they are both the same. So we are starting from the left. 29 minus 14 will give us 15. Bring down the minus 8, bring down the plus 33. Starting from the left, 15 minus 8 will give us 7. Then bring down the plus 33. 7 plus 33 will give us 40. And that's the final answer. We are considering 4 acronyms in the order of operation, which are division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Take note that division and multiplication are the same. Addition and subtraction are the same. What I meant by that is that division and multiplication, depending on which one comes first, you can deal with it. So also addition and subtraction, depending on which one comes first from the left. On this side, we have addition, multiplication, and division. So we are looking at division and multiplication first, starting from the left. This one should come first. Bring down the 12 plus 34 times 2 will give us 68. Bring down the divided by 2. Then looking at this, division should come first. Bring down the 12 plus 68 divided by 2 will give us 34. Then looking at this, 12 plus 34 will give us 46. And that's the final answer. Let's look at this example. Multiplication comes first, so we are going to multiply. 6 times 5 will give us 30. Bring down the minus 3, the plus 10, and the minus 4. Looking at it, there is no multiplication or division again. So we are starting from the left since it's just addition and subtraction. 30 minus 3 will give us 27. Bring down the 10, bring down the 4. 27 plus 10 will give us 37. Bring down the minus 4. 37 minus 4 will give us 33. And that's our final answer. In this section, we'll be considering the 5 order of operation, which are exponent, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let's consider this example. Looking at this, we are considering the exponent, which are power of 2 and power of 4. Starting from the left, 14 squared is 196. Bring down the 8, the 5, and the other one. Looking at this, we have an exponent. Bring down the 196, the 8, the 5. 2 raised to the power of 4 is same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that's 16. Here, multiplication should come first. 196 times 8 will give us 1568. Bring down the minus 5 and the 16. Since we only have addition and subtraction, we start from the left. 1568 minus 5 will give us this. Bring down the plus 16. Then solving this, we get 1579, and that's the final answer. Here, the exponent should be dealt with first. Bring down the 2. 12 raised to the power of 3 is same thing as 12 times 12 times 12, which is 1728. Then bring down the other ones. We still have an exponent there, so we are looking at that first. Bring down these and the other ones. 4 raised to the power of 5 is the same thing as 4 in 5 places, and it will give us 1024. We have division and multiplication here, so we are dealing with that first. Starting from the left, 2 times 1728 will give us this, divided by 8, bring down the other ones. Starting from the left, since we have division also there, we are looking at that one first. 3456 divided by 8 will give us 432. Bring down the other ones. 432 times 3 will give us this. Bring down the other one. Then when we subtract 1296 from 1024, we get this as our final answer. In this section, we are considering all the order of operation. Let's look at two examples in this section. Looking at this, the first thing to do is to deal with the one inside the bracket. 6 squared is 36. Bring down the plus 4 and others. We still have brackets. 36 plus 4 will give us 40, divided by 18 minus 14 will give us 4. Then 40 divided by 4 will give us 10, and that's the final answer. On this side, we have to deal with the bracket first. 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 9 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, times 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1, times 5. We still have to deal with the bracket first. Bring down the 5 squared plus 9 plus 8 times 1 is 8, times 5 is 40. And looking at this, we deal with the square first. 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. Bring down the rest. And 25 plus 9 plus 40 will give us 74. And that's the final answer. Under this section, I will be considering some examples I have not treated before. Let's look at these examples. Here, there are two brackets. There are brackets under brackets. When this kind of question comes up, the innermost bracket should be treated first. So bring down the other ones. 4 times 6 will give us 24. Minus 2 plus 8. We still have brackets. Bring down the other ones. 24 minus 2 will give us 22 plus 8 will give us 30. We have subtraction, multiplication and division. From the left, division comes first. 110 divided by 10 will give us 11 times 8 minus 30. 11 times 8 is 88 minus 30. And solving this, we have 58, which is the final answer. Here, we have multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. Multiplication and division should be dealt with first, depending on which one comes first from the left. 4 minus 25 times 6 will give us 150. Then bring down the other ones. From the left, division should come first. 4 minus 150 divided by 10 will give us 15. Then bring down the other ones. Here, multiplication should come first. 4 minus 15 times 9 is 135. Then bring down the other ones. We still have multiplication. So bring down the other ones. 7 times 8 will give us 56. Addition and subtraction. The one that comes first is subtraction from the left. 4 minus 135 will give us minus 131. How will I explain this minus 131? The best way I could explain it is plus 4 meant that you have 4 with you. Minus 135 meant that you are owing someone that number. So if you take 4 that you have from that minus 135, you will have 131. It will be in negative form because you are still owing. You only paid 4 out of the 135 which you are owing. So bring down the plus 56, and minus 131 plus 56 is the same thing as you are owing someone 131 and you have 56 with you. Taking it from 131, you will have 75. It will still be in negative form because you are still owing, which is minus 75. If you have any questions, please do well to use the comment section. Thank you, and see you in the next one.